quicker.
Hi guys, before we get into this video, I just want to disclaim that there will be spoilers of the tour, so if you don't want the tour spoiled and you want a surprise, then don't watch this video. But if you just want to see behind the scenes of the tour, then hi guys, so I'm starting this video with a lot of excitement. We are going on a tour of Harry Potter Warner Brothers Studios today. I haven't done this in ages. I think it's their final day of the dark arts, Halloween-y type vibes. So yeah, really excited. We'll be taking you along with me on the journey, and let's go and see what we discover. So we've made it. We've got about 10 minutes until our tour possibly starts. Just for full context, my dad works in like the industry, so we've got like a VIP type tour to take us around, but I'll still show you everything you would see. I know you can book like a VIP tour, but I don't know what that entails or anything. I don't know what we're getting, whether we're getting that or we're getting something separate for like people, like staff and stuff. So, but I'll still take you around like the whole exhibition, what do you call it, the whole show, and show you everything. But I haven't been here in about 8 years, so it's actually changed a dramatic amount. There's this little Starbucks in the foyer, so we're all just grabbing a coffee. They do a butterbeer latte, but I've had 2 coffees already today. I can't do another one, but I do want to try it. So yeah, can't wait to show you around.
It is one of the first sets ever created for the film series. Hufflepuff, but of course, your house ghost is that thing coming from the bottom of the Great Hall to set.
All the jelly beans there.
Okay, there's the exit. Thanks very much for coming. No, I'm only joking. Welcome, Slytherin. It's the amazing costume. You can see it is still covered in
We'll get a chocolate from the end.
So
today. You might notice it looks like to stop your tour. Thank you.
The Great Hall has come to an end. If you'd like to take your last few photographs.
Thank you very much indeed, and have the most.
number 2 is very close.
So within the tour, you have like this little passport thing that I was showing earlier that you get stamped. I mean, this is it. This is the Activity Darks Art Edition, and then there's also the golden snitches all around that you can find too.
Now these costumes are in number 4, so you might not have seen them yet.
I think we actually have, like, maybe.
Have you watched Goblet of Fire?
Do you remember the Goblet of Fire? Do you remember the giant?
So that's not really ice, is it? That's not really, not in real life, but that is a giant mannequin.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so all the mannequins are based on their actual height. Yes. Yeah,
All right, well done, Ems.
you're a big fan. Then you've got the actress Savannah Lynch wearing the dress, and they made it look Christmas.
Yeah.
The followers of Voldemort use the evil person Harry Potter, and he definitely so they wet them up, stick them on the
I know, it's so cool, isn't it?
digital hands, and they're not miniature colour in the bags because they no longer fit in these bags.
Oh, cool.
But they want. I could
I was like, oh, I would like a box with it. Oh, that's fun. There we go. There we go. That's better. Sorry.
It's very cozy. That's the idea behind it. Slytherin, they wanted to feel.
Amazing.
And then my favourite is this one, because can you spot the Cornish pixie eating a banana?
Oh.
Yeah. And these would literally just be.
Paul Harris, choreographer for Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, created the art known as wand combat, drawing inspiration from designed to be both mysterious and threatening, with its simple yet strong symbol.
powerful, but they have all remembered.
Just over there.
Oh, sorry, an E is appearing to call me.
Oh my god!
Oh, and Elliot.
So this was a textbook, like you would have in school, a book that you can learn out of. They're impossible to find, but the next one you'll notice, you'll recognise this. It's the preparation of a polyjuice potion. Do you remember what that does? Anyone? Polybius. And do you remember he had a pet? What was his pet?
Sorry, I'm complicating it all. Oh, look at that!
When it's decided who's going to play,
Flashing lights,
it would turn
water-based
red.
smoke effects, and pyrotechnics.
It's going to shoot
For further support, please make
Whoa! Oh my goodness! Wait, get it!
Should we go back?
Had two windows fitted to the windows, so that way the team can add in what was right. And the windows for this version contains footage from the movie.
What did you say your name was again? I didn't. Well, whereabouts are you ready? The leaky cauldron. That's in London. You hear that, Ern? The leaky cauldron.
Yeah, so much.
Effects. And the reason Harry Potter still looks so good is because they had a majority of practical effects.
Choose your first move and go!
Go, Elliot!
Number 3, keep it going, everyone. High spirit. Thumbs up at the sides and fires forward.
To look like, and he wanted them to appear very otherworldly and quite mysterious. And to achieve that, he wanted them as a practical effect rather than simply relying on CGI. So, our creatures effects?
Yeah!
There we go, let's bring them out. Alright, you can hear that lake freezing in the background, which is a telltale sign that they are indeed on their way. Make sure to look all around.
Oh my gosh, that's so creepy. I haven't spoken to in ages, but honestly it's magical coming at Halloween. We just also went into the gift shop, which was all Christmas stuff. I sort of want to keep this Halloween-ish themed, but sorry, it's quite loud in here. We're going on the train.
Oh yeah, I can see that. I can see I'm so done with it.
Yesterday, Andy was saying he's going to buy us some It's just something
Oh my god.
That was a Dobby.
Really?
Yeah. Makes it feel like a greenhouse.
That's weirdly fun. You have to come again.
I will have a go.
Scar by your eyes.
You're so serious.
Let me put it on the light. Close actors, but for the background actors, it's still made of silicone for the nails. half or 9 3/4.
That's so
Little Easter egg.
cool.
And that's on every gold bar.
What?
Every single.
Amy needs to sit down at a desk. Oh, Amy gets the coat off. She goes for like the whole shebang. I just love it. This is so sick.
It would be a bit like pop.
Undesirable number one. Yeah.
Much further back, and it's where Harry would have got his wand for the first time, like your wand right there. Now, in the
Now, very shortly, I'm going to be showing off some special effects that does involve Ollivanders as well. Now, I'm going to be starting our demonstration very shortly. Now, with you, Gryffindor at the front. So I'm going to be counting down very shortly in a few moments' time, okay? You start counting down. You need to say action for me, okay? So 3, 2, 1.
Yes, puking pastels. We saw the night bus today, didn't we?
Look at now.
Now these are a bit basic.
So if you've made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I thought I would just sort of catch you up on my overall thoughts and feelings toward the day, because it was absolutely amazing. And if you're thinking of doing that VIP tour, I would so highly recommend it. What we did was like kind of similar to if you were to do, I think it's called like the deluxe tour. So I'll leave that link down below so you can check it out if you're interested. But basically it's a guided tour where you get to learn some little extra secrets about the experience. You also get to go in a few little behind the scenes types areas as well that you wouldn't normally get to go in if you're just on a sort of public wander around yourself tour. And then I think you do get some added extras included as well, and a little goodie bag. So yeah, it was absolutely brilliant, guys. I had the best time. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video and like got the vibe of the place. It's so good, even if you're just going on the normal tour. Amazing. It's such a magical day. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.